Child Protective Services involved?
No, ma'am.
All right, why do you have a 5-year-old sitting in the front seat?
It was just my irresponsibility. So we were going home and she was like, can I sit in the front? I said yes, that was my responsibility on doing that. I shouldn't have listened to her. That was on my fault.
On every vehicle, court is calling 2024 CR 1361, State of Texas versus Vincent Munoz. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Marjorie Hillman for the state.
Defense?
Matthew Brown for the defense.
And are you Mr. Munoz?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Munoz, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision
Yes,
with
Your
your
Honor.
attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Munoz, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of endangering a child? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you
Yes.
intend to give up? Yes. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Munoz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, state is recommending deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2024 CR 2176, and there's to be parenting classes. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. Did you understand that was a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Your Honor, state offers state's exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Oh, you may continue to confer. Thank you. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just ask the court to follow the agreement.
All right, are you employed?
Yes,
What do you do?
I'm a painter.
How many children do you have?
One and one on the way.
All right. And is Child Protective Services involved?
No, no.
All right, why do you have a 5-year-old sitting in the front seat?
It was just my irresponsibilities. So we were going home and she was like, can I sit in the front? I said yes, that was my irresponsibility on doing that. I shouldn't have listened to her. That was on my fault.
On every vehicle, there's a notice on the visor. Have you ever read those notices on the visor?
Yes, ma'am.
What does it say?
It says to keep your child in the back seat in case of the airbag,
Yeah. And do you know why?
because death.
Yeah, the airbag can kill a child if they're in the front seat and there's an accident. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's address to the issue of you speeding with a 5-year-old in the front seat of your vehicle. Why are you doing that?
I was just honestly just trying to get her to meet her mom and go home. It was just my mistake I just didn't
No,
stop.
these were choices. And it says that you had warrants. So were you speeding because you had warrants?
No, ma'am.
And why were you zigging and zagging?
When he was behind me, the lights weren't on at first. I thought it was a regular car just behind me. So I was just trying to get out of the way. And then when I found an opening, I did kind of speed and he finally lit me up and yeah,
All right, and if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
positive
For what?
weed.
And what else?
That's it.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication, taking consideration 2024 CR 2176, 100 hours of community service restitution. The court is going to require parenting classes. Once you complete parenting classes, your community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare providers or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors until completion of parenting classes. There's to be field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. There's to be regular random UAs. Tests for levels. There's to be the driver safety course. Sober support meetings. 60 and 60 days. Probation, is there anything else?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You got to put children first. They can't take care of themselves. Children don't know the rules. When she asked to be placed in the front seat, if that's what she did, you should have told her no. And you should have calmly explained to her, the answer is no, because if this airbag deploys, you could be killed. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. You as well. You have a good day.